this point is C. Okay, C. So taking radius more than half CD, taking radius more than half CD and taking D as a center and taking C as a center. Okay, and joining A with this point by dot line, right? So this angle is of 45, this angle is of 45, but we have to draw the angle of 22 and half. So we are taking bisector of this angle 45 degree. So here this angle is of 45, right? This angle is of 45, taking radius more than half, taking radius more than half, taking this point as a center, taking this point as a center and joining A with this point, joining A with this point. So and say this point is P. Okay, P. So angle PAB, this angle is 22 and half, that is 22.5 degree. So angle PAD B, okay, PAB, angle PAB equal to 22 and half degree, that is 22.5 degree is required angle, angle PAB. Okay, it is of, if you measure by protractor then you can verify it is of 22.5 means first we draw the angle 90 degree, then bisector of 90, that is 45, and bisector of 45, that is 22.5. Now we construct the angle 15 degree. 15 degree, that is first we draw 60, then bisector of 60, that is 30, and bisector of 30, that is 15. Okay, now we have to construct the angle of 15 degree. So how to construct? First we draw the angle of 60 degree, right? Taking radius of our choice. So this point, taking this point as a center, so we have the angle of 60 degree. We draw by dotted line, okay. So here this is the angle of 60 degree. Now we draw the bisector of 60, right? This angle is of 60 degree, so we are taking bisector of 60, that is 30. So taking radius more than, see that radius more than half DE, half, taking radius more than half and taking this point as a center and taking this point as a center. So we have this angle, it is of 30 degree, okay. And now this angle is 30 degree. Now we are taking the bisector of 30, that is 15 degree. Okay, so taking radius more than half, see that radius more than half and taking this point as a center and draw the arc. Taking this point as a center and draw the arc, and joining this point with A. This point with A. So we have this angle, say this ray is C, angle CAB is of 15 degree. CAB is of 15 degree is the required angle. Okay, so first we draw 60, bisector of 60, 30, and again bisector of 30, that is 15 degree.